Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to talk about cameras and what kind of problems we'll have about the cameras and how we can solve them. There are two things about the cameras. First is the voltage, and the second thing is about the data. The data about the cameras are called MIPI, M-I-P-I. There is one point here that the camera problems are so close and so similar to display problems, so keep that in mind. When you have a camera problem and you don't see anything, it could be a malfunction because of the camera, or it could be a malfunction about the tracks that are going to the connector and the camera. So first thing first, check out the camera first. Make sure that the camera is okay. If there is no problem with the camera, then you have to check out the other things about it. There's several things about the camera. First, it's about the voltage. As you can see, we have VDDs about the cameras. We have this one. As you can see, these are all about the camera, so we have to check all of them. As you can see, we have a camera voltage is 2.9 volts, 1 volt, 1.8, 1.8, 1.8 OIS. This means we have, if you have a camera that's optical image stabilizer doesn't work, you have to check this one. Autofocus, if your autofocus doesn't work, you have to check this voltage. OIS actually have another camera here, and all of this have to be checked. First, you have to finding out, and if you have a problem, you have to track the way and make sure the voltages are being satisfied with your device. This way, as you can see, we have an inductor in the way, and it goes straight to the pin number 8. We're going here, and here's the pin number 8 that is responsible for sending the main voltage for the camera. This if I'm not mistaken, 8, yes. Now, as you can see, it goes straight to this inductor, to capacitors, and nowhere else. Now I'm gonna keep moving all of them. As you can see, here's are the A, G, and D. These are not for us. This is the inductor that is responsible for sending the voltage through the camera. Now, where does it go? Not here. As you can see, there is nowhere to be found around here, so we have to go back, and it is right here. It comes from this IC, and this IC U7001 is the second PMIC, sub PMIC. S2MPB02 is the second IC for charging, for actually powering up our phone. So as you can see, if I'm not mistaken, goes here to B5. Now I'm gonna find out B5. B6 is right here, and I have to find B5. B4, B5. As you can see, it's right here, and it goes here oh sorry. So this IC is actually responsible for charging up and powering up our phone. If you do not have a voltage, you have to check this IC first. About the data on your camera, they're called MIPI. All of them have diode values. The diode values are about 3 to 600, depends on the phone. You have to diode value them. If the diode value is not satisfied, you have to keep moving to find out where is your problem. And as you can see, they all goes into this IC that is right here, that I'm gonna companion IC. It's called the companion IC. Is actually the camera IC. Actually, the IC is responsible for our camera. If you have a problem with the MIPIs, you have to replace this IC. very easy. So the main thing is about the voltage and of course the data. That will do for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.